Morning, dear students. Today we shall see the new lesson from the term 2 book. The name of the lesson is Sports Star. Name of the lesson is Sports Star, term 2 book, unit 1, prose 1. Term 2 book, Sports Star. Before starting the lesson, I would like to ask you some question about sports. Clear? First, you just write down this question at the corner of your book. When you are sending the running notes, you answer these questions. The first question, can you name sports stars? Can you name some sports? Can you name some sports? Second, which is your favorite sports? First question, can you name some sports? Which is your favorite sports? Third one, Vishwanath Anand is famously known for which game? Vishwanath Anand is famously known for which game? Who is your inspirational sports star? You just write these questions at the corner of your book. Can you name some sports? Which is your favorite sports? Vishwanath Anand is famously known for which game? Who is your inspirational sports star? So next, now we are entering into the lesson. Mostly, we all know about the men's sports star. Yes? Today I am going to introduce the women's stars in India. So the women's stars also there, lot of women sports star also there in India. We'll see. First I like to introduce 10 women stars today, but there are lot of women stars are there in India. Just go through the net and find out. Clear ma? First, Geeta. Geeta Phogat. These are all the extra things I am giving you. This is not there in your book. Okay. So, Geeta Phogat, she is a wrestler. Geeta Phogat, she is a wrestler and she has won the first gold medal in wrestling at Commonwealth 2010 and also the first Indian sportswoman to qualify for the Olympic Games. Who is she? Geeta Phogat. So next, Saina Nehwal. She is the badminton player. She is the badminton player and also she is known as Indian Golden Girl of Badminton. Third one, Deepika Kumari. Deepika Kumari is archer. She is an ace archer and she won gold medal at Commonwealth in 2010. Mithali Raj. Mithali Raj, cricketer. She is a cricketer, very famous cricketer of Indian women cricket team. She is one of the best batter. She has the highest run score, more than 6,000 runs. She has received Arjuna and Padma Shri award. Fifth one we have Tanya Sachdeva, chess player. When we remember about chess, immediately we remember Vishwanath Anand. Yes? So, but she is the woman sports star in the field of chess. Sixth one, Kunjrani Devi. She is a weightlifter. She is a weightlifter. She won gold and silver medal and she won many awards also. Seventh we have Akanksha Singh. Basketball player. She is a basketball player. She is the captain of Indian women basketball team. And eighth one, Bula Chaudhary. She is the swimmer. She crossed 7 seas. She is the woman crossed 7 seas. What is the name? Bula Chaudhary. She is the swimmer. Okay. So next, Anjali Bhagwat, she is a shooter. And Mary Kom is a boxer. K-O-M. Mary Kom is the boxer. She is a boxer. She has a nickname Million Rupee Baby. She has a nickname Million Rupee Baby. She has got the championship for boxing for 5 times. She is the first lady boxer. Mary Kom. So, here I have written 8 sports star, 2 women sports star I have said. So, there are lot of women sports stars are there in India. You just go through the net and find out. So, now we are entering into the lesson, section 1, page number 83. Listen, reading, section 1. Listen to the teacher read a diary account of a school boy and answer the questions. This is a diary written by a school boy. We shall see what he has written in his diary. Okay. So, it's a diary account of a school boy. When I read, you just see the stress, pass properly and the pronunciation where I read everything. You just see properly. The fingers should be on the line where I read. Each day is a new beginning. It has so much to unfold and I had the best day at school today. Unfold, underline the word unfold and write down the meaning open. O-P-E-N, open or spread out. Cricket is something that I love. Today my teacher told us that we would be learning about a cricketer. I thought of Sachin, Virat Kohli and many other male players in the Indian cricket team. But she introduced Mithali Raj, an Indian cricketer and the captain of the Indian women's cricket team in Test and One-Day Internationals. I never thought a woman could play cricket so well. It was why I have never let my sister play cricket with me. I would tell her, it is not for you, you had better play with girls. However, I was taken by surprise when I learned that Midali started to play the game at the age of 10 and that she was selected for the Indian team at the age of 17. So, this schoolboy loves cricket. One day, his teacher tells him about Midali Dorai Raj, who is the captain of the Indian women's cricket team in Test and One Day International. He was surprised to hear from his teacher that Midali started to play cricket from the age of 10 and she was selected for the Indian team at the age of 17 years. The boy had never let his sister play cricket. Clear? Actually, he thought that male cricketer alone can play, but his teacher introduced some women cricketer, so he was very surprised, and then after hearing everything, he allowed his sister also to play cricket. And the second paragraph, Midali lives in Hyderabad. I was interested to learn that her mother tongue is Tamil. I felt very proud that she has been widely recognized, underline the word recognized, known and acknowledged. Acknowledged is accepted. She was the highest run scorer in women's international cricket and the only woman cricketer to surpass, underline the word surpass, exceed, E-X-C-E-E-D, exceed, be greater than the 6,000 run mark in ODIs, one day internationals. Midali is the first player to score 7 consecutive is one after another. Underline the word consecutive, one after another. In fact, she is nicknamed in the sense a familiar name given to a person or place. It's called as nicknamed. In fact, she is nicknamed Tendulkar of Indian women's cricket as she is presently the all-time leading run scorer for India in all formats including Test, ODI and T20s. I would love to quote what Midali had to say about this compliment. She said, on the one hand, being compared to Sachin is an absolute privilege. Underline the word privilege. The meaning is honor. H-O-N-O-U-R. Honor. I do not think I have achieved even half of what he did for the country. On the other, being a woman cricketer, I want people to know me for my own identity. I would rather not be compared to a male cricketer. This is the quote said by Midali Dorai Raj. And though Midali lived in Hyderabad, her mother tongue was Tamil. She was the highest run scorer and the only woman cricketer to surpass the 6,000 run mark in ODIs. She was also the first player to score 7 consecutive 50s, one another. She is nicknamed as Tendulkar of Indian women cricket. Clear? So she lives in Hyderabad, her mother tongue is Tamil. Clear? So I felt very proud. The boy felt very proud that she has been widely recognized, known by others and acknowledged. She was the highest run scorer in women's international cricket and the only woman cricketer. So see the third paragraph. She indeed is an inspiration to all of us. She actually started playing cricket with her brother. When she was young, she used to go with her father to the grounds where he practiced. She used to stand outside the ground and return the ball when it came her way. Though it was a humble start, it's a low start. Humble is L-O-W, low start. She managed to secure a name and a place for herself. Many of us think cricket is for men. However, she broke the traditional barriers and proved that women are on par with men in every field. The government of India, in recognition of her contribution to cricket, conferred on her the Padma Shri Award. Actually, she indeed is an inspiration. Inspiration is here a person looked by someone. It is called as a person looked by someone. It is called as inspiration. She actually started playing cricket with her brother. When she was in a childhood, she started playing cricket with her brother. When she was young, she used to go with her father to the ground where he practiced. Actually, her father also is a cricketer, so she used to go along with her father while he is practicing. She noticed everything and she used to stand outside the ground and return the ball. Okay, when it came her way, though it was a low start, this is the first basic start of her, and she managed to secure a name and a place for herself. Many of us think that cricket is only for the men. Yes? She broke the traditional barriers of many people who think cricket is only for men. She proved that women are equal to men in every field. The government conferred on her the Padma Shri Award. Recently, in the second Women's T20 International, Mithali led her side to a comfortable 9-wicket victory with an unbeaten 76 runs. This we'll see in the next page, page number 84. And I forgot to mention about the recent achievement of our Indian women cricket team. Mithali Raj and another woman player, Smriti Mandhana hit stylish half centuries and India cruised to a comfortable 9-wicket victory over South Africa in the second Women's T20 International on 23rd of February 2018. Mithali anchored the innings to perfection with an unbeaten 76. Now that I am inspired by her, who inspired? The boy. Inspired by her and my attitude has changed. I certainly will be happy when my little sister follow her passion. Passion is desire, D-E-S-I-R-E. The boy was so inspired by Mithali and he changes his attitude. He felt happy and he allowed his sister to play cricket. First, the boy, he said not to he is not interested to allow his sister to play cricket. After knowing everything about this Mithali Dora Raj, he allowed her sister to play cricket. Clear? I hope you understand the section 1, children, because it's not too tough. It's very simple English only. So you don't want that too much explanation, I think so. So we directly go for the glossary and statement is given here. And do you know, see the page number 84, Women's Cricket World Cup is older than men's. The Women's World Cup was first held in England in 1973, 2 years before the inaugural of Men's Cricket World Cup. See the statement, put a tick for the correct and wrong for the incorrect statements. 7 statements are here. First statement, a school-going girl writes the diary account. Is the statement is correct, children? Who wrote? A boy. Yes? So this statement is wrong. The boy was so inspired by Midali that he was happy for his sister to play cricket. Is the statement is correct? Yes, absolutely this statement is correct. The boy was so inspired by Midali and he allowed his sister also to play cricket. Third one, Midali Raj is happy to be recognized as Tendulkar of Indian women's cricket. No, it's wrong. Women should not be compared with men in cricket, says Madali. Yes. So always woman is equal to men. Fifth one, Midali Raj was not encouraged to play cricket by her family. Is the sentence is correct? No, this sentence is wrong because her family members support her to play cricket. Midali is one of the women players to score 7 consecutive 50s. Yes, correct. Midali's mother tongue is Telugu. Is it correct? What is her mother tongue? Her mother tongue is Tamil. Clear? Section 1 got over. Once again we will see the mind map and the key point also I will give you. First, Midali Dorai Raj, captain. She is the captain of women cricket team and her mother tongue was Tamil and she surpassed 6,000 run mark in one-day internationals and she has scored 7 consecutive 50s and she was nicknamed as Tendulkar of Indian women's cricket and she was proved women are equal to men and the government conferred Padma Shri award to her and unbeaten 76 in second women's T20 international. So this is the mind map. If you want this, you can write it at the corner of your book. It will be easy for you to understand that. And the key point also I will give you. You just write the key point also. And children, one lesson after the lesson poem will get over. You just, what is that in the lesson, what is that in the poem? You just write the key point at the center, at the corner of your book. It will be help you to see, to better understanding. And when you see the key point and mind map, you no need to read the full lesson again. While you seeing the mind map and the key point, automatically you can know what is there in the lesson. Yeah. So the mind map also I have given, the key point also, the key point I will write here. If you want, you can write at the corner of your book. Midali Dorai Raj. She is a cricket player. Midali Dorai Raj, she is a cricket player. Lives in Hyderabad. Highest run scorer. First player to score 7 consecutive 50s. She was awarded Padma Shri Award. So this is the key point of section 1. If you want, you can write it. So section 1 got over. The glossary will see page number 84. Recognized. Recognized is known. Acknowledged. Acknowledged, accepted, accepted. Privilege, honor. Consecutive, one after another. Identity, who or what a person is or how a person is known. Inspirational, here a person one looks up to, inspiration. Passion is desire. So I hope you understand section 1. We'll move on to the section 2. Section 2, page number 85. Read the report on Usha Rani and answer the question asked below. Usha Rani, Kopgam Kabaddi champion, rose from Shanti town. Shanti town is poor area. Okay. Of Subida Palaya in Yeshwanthpur near Bengaluru in Karnataka. Armed with her mother's unfulfilled, underline the word unfulfilled, unrealized dream to become an athlete. She became determined, underline the word determined, willpower. She became determined and practiced Kabaddi at the Kandirava Stadium every morning, rain or sunshine, rain or shine. As a school child, she grew up watching Kabaddi at a club in front of her house and soon joined the club and started playing Kabaddi at national level in sub-junior category. Whenever she was not playing, she was the source of support to her parents and others at home. She used to sell flowers for her daily living and she had to struggle all through her life until she got a job in the Karnataka State Police Force. She was selected as a police person for her excellence in sports and was the youngest in the Karnataka State Police Women Kabaddi team. So this is a report on Usha Rani, Kopgam Kabaddi champion. She was from a poor town of Subidarpalaya in Yeshwanthpur near Bengaluru in Karnataka. To fulfill her mother's dream, she became determined and practiced Kabaddi from a young age. Soon she started playing Kabaddi at national level in sub-junior category. She used to sell flowers for her daily living and to support her family. She had to struggle hard all through her life until she became the youngest corpus police in the Karnataka State Police Service. She was just 29 years old when she won a gold medal in Kabaddi. She is much acclaimed, underline the word acclaimed, publicly praised. P-U-B-L-I-C-L-Y, publicly praised, P-R-A-I-S-E-D, is much acclaimed for her raiding skills in Kabaddi. E.S. Suman, sports officer at Karnataka State Police Sports Promotion Board says, despite a well-paid job, Usha participated in national event every year without a miss. She is an expert in giving leads, raiding, is underline the word, attacking opponent and consistently playing a prominent role in the Indian Kabaddi team. Usha Rani is now working hard and practicing every day to win the gold medal at the Asian Games in 2018. She has also become a role model to her brothers and sisters at home and other fellow sports persons. She, at the age of 29 years, she won a gold medal in Kabaddi. She is now working hard and practicing every day to win the gold medal at the Asian Games in 2018. She has also become the role model to her brother, sister and other fellow sports person. See the glossary. Shanty town, a poor area, unfulfilled, unrealized, prominent, noticeable, determined, willpower. When did Usha Rani start? See the answer the following briefly. When did Usha Rani start playing kabaddi? As a school child, Usha Rani started playing kabaddi. What did she sell to support her family? What did she sell? She sold flowers to support the family. Find out the idiom that relates to whatever the circumstances from the first paragraph. Armed with her brother's unfulfilled dream is the idiom related to whatever the circumstances. Clear? So, this key point I'll write here. Usha Rani she is the kabaddi player come kabaddi champion. Kabaddi champion. Belongs to Bangalore. Won gold medal at 28 years. Job in State Police Force. Aiming to win gold medal at the Asian Games. So this is the key point of section 2. You just write it at the corner. And glossary. Shanty town is a poor area, unfulfilled, unrealized, prominent, noticeable and determined, willpower. Okay children, so section 2 got over. Section 3 we'll see in the next video. Thank you children.